Hello, I'm Bennis and today I want to talk about salads. Here's the thing, right? They're not my favorite. But ever since I met my partner, she taught me that, vegetables are important and whatever. So I've gotten to eat more salads. And here's the thing, I actually think I found a way to make them delicious. So today we're gonna make an Asian noodle salad. First, we're gonna talk about protein. So the thing is, you can really use whatever protein you have, right? Today we have a beautiful, beautiful beef tenderloin, so I'm gonna use it. When it comes to beef tenderloin though, we wanna slice it really thin. So it really helps if you freeze your beef a little bit so that we can slice it a lot easier. So we're gonna velvet our beef. What is velveting? This secret kung fu technique from our zicha uncles that they developed to make your beef extra tender. Have you always wondered why all these zicha uncles, that beef is always so tender? This is why. So the idea is we're gonna add some sodium bicarbonate, a bit of Shaoxing wine. Mix it really well, leave it in there for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back, wash it off, and then we can fry it. One of my secret ingredients for this Asian noodle salad is dangmyeon. Dangmyeon is that noodle that we eat in japchae, which is, let's face it, a favorite whenever we go to Korean restaurants. It soaks up whatever sauce you give it, and to quote my mother, it is extra QQ. So anyway, I'm making this instead of japchae because this is healthier, it's quicker, and it hits the spot just the same, in my opinion. So you can go ahead and cook it as per package instructions, and when you're done, run it under cold water to stop the cooking so you get your noodles extra QQ. You're gonna need the biggest mixing bowl you can find because we're gonna make a big batch here. Once your noodles are cooled, you can drain them well and toss them into your mixing bowl. We can cut down the carb component of our meal and amp up the protein and veggies so we can consume more of this, stay fuller for longer, and be just as satisfied. Now we're gonna stir fry our beef with a little bit of garlic and onion. So once you're done, you can toss it into the mixing bowl. So now we're gonna add in our vegetables. You can cut your vegetables however you like, but what I've done here is cut my carrots and chilies into matchsticks and just thinly slice my cabbage. I don't usually like salad dressings that are vinegar-based. I think they're a bit too sour and not too tasty. So I made a dressing of my own that I actually crave for. Some ponzu, some perilla oil, and a touch of sugar just to balance everything out. It's refreshing yet super umami and satisfying. So now we're gonna mix everything together with our dressing. You might be thinking, why are we adding raw vegetables into the salad like that? The truth is, the sodium will draw out all the juices of the vegetables, and that will also add to the dressing. You can add in whatever toppings you want. I personally like some almonds, toasted sesame seeds, and spring onions. Et voila, your salad that doesn't suck. This is the kind of meal that someone who has their shit together eats. It's nutritious, you're getting your protein in, you're getting your veggies in, and it's delicious. Your life is good, and your future is bright. Or chill up. Honestly, I haven't made this in a while, and I'm just once again surprised at how good this is. Knew it. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's hella nutritious. Go and make this.